Alright guys, I apologize for getting this thing out late to you. I've been out of town in a place where I have not had very much cell service or very much Wi-Fi. So anyway, I'm going to make this thing very clear, very quick. Not sure what our class schedule is going to look like with the snow coming, but anyway, what I want you guys to do with this is to watch it and at least take notes and you're responsible for the little bit we're going to go over today. So just to kind of recap, we've gone through carbs, we've gone through and we're on to fats, and we talked about unsaturated, saturated fat. Now we're going to talk about cholesterol, which is something you hear a lot about associated with fat. Understand that all cholesterol is it's kind of a waxy type of substance that's in the bloodstream. Okay, and it has a good use. I mean, it helps with cell growth, it helps with cell strength, it helps with food digestion. The problem is all the cholesterol that we need, our body already makes. So what we eat in our food is just additional cholesterol. So you can kind of see what I'm talking about, that 20% of it is through our food, 80% of it's already made by our liver. There's two types of cholesterol. When you go have a cholesterol panel or you have your blood drawn, you're going to get really three readings. You'll get a total cholesterol, and you'll get an HDL and LDL. HDL is good cholesterol, so you want that number to be higher. LDL is bad cholesterol, and obviously you want it to be lower. And having elevated cholesterol or having high cholesterol puts you at risk for a lot of things. Arteriosclerosis, which is a hardening of your arteries, also heart disease, hypertension, and you can kind of see we ideally want between 200 and 239. Okay, is where we want to be. So I encourage you to get blood work done so you know where you're at, particularly if you have parents or grandparents with high cholesterol. All right, on to proteins. Proteins are found in pretty much any meat, poultry, beans, dairy, and it's made up of amino acids. And if you looked at those under a microscope, they would look like little chains linked together. And it's recommended that we have 10 to 15%. Whatever we eat extra, we don't burn off or is stored as fat. So you have to drink a lot of water when you eat protein. And it has really two purposes. It rebuilds muscle, and it regulates metabolism. So again, protein is important. There's two kinds of protein. There's complete, that's found in animal and soy products, and it contains all the amino acids. Okay, incomplete is usually found in vegetable sources, so like beans, and it's missing one or more of the essential amino acids. And having enough protein is particularly important during adolescence when your body's starting to grow a lot. Vitamins and minerals. So we talked about the macronutrients, the big nutrients. That was fats, carbs, proteins. The micronutrients are vitamins and minerals. Vitamins have a couple of jobs. First, they regulate growth and metabolism. They help repair cells. There's two types of vitamins. There's water soluble. That mean they're not stored in your body. So I always give the example. If you drink too much orange juice, which is vitamin C, then you're going to go to the bathroom. Okay, you're going to urinate it out. Fat soluble vitamins are stored in the body. That's A, D, and K. So if you have too many of those, it can actually kill you. Minerals are they're elements they're in nature. They help with basic body function. There's a couple of main ones. Calcium, iron, and sodium are the most common, and you can look at some of the things that they prevent. Bone issues, iron deficiency, meaning anemia, and high blood pressure. And then we'll finish this up by talking about water, which is a class of nutrients by itself. It comprises about 60 to 70% and has a lot of uses. Keeps your temperature in check, helps you digest your food, helps you eliminate waste. And losing as little as 5% will put your body in stress, and losing more than 15% can kill you. And it's recommended that you have 8 to 10 cups a day. And so you guys do me a favor, watch this, take notes, and we will pick back up on Tuesday.